Hi, welcome to the quick walkthrough video of Commission Expense Tracker. Utilizing this template, you can keep track of all your commission expenses for your business. So in this template, first of all, on the left side, we have a quick summary section which shows the total budgeted expense, the total expenses that has been incurred, the difference in between the both, and the percentage of actual expenses incurred. On the right side, we have got three different categories which are useful for keeping track of commission expenses. First of all, we have the expense category, which shows three different categories and three subcategories under each of these categories. We have got sales, marketing, and services, and under each of the categories, we have got different expenses subcategories that has been created. If you want to create a new subcategory, simply click on this new over here. It will create a new category, new subcategory for the specific category. If you want to edit any of the subcategories, simply click on this pencil icon and start editing these details, and it will automatically reflect the changes. And here we have the budgeted amount that has been set. You can simply click on this budgeted value and you can set any budgeted value of your choice. A quick way to add a new category would be to scroll to the right and you can see this plus over here. Once you click on this, you will be able to add a new category. If you want to edit the existing category, simply click on this field and you can start editing these details for any of these categories that has been defined. Jumping on the expenses overview, we can see how the expenses have come so far. So here we can see different categories of expenses and the corresponding subcategories and the percentage of total expenses that has been incurred so far. Okay. And finally, on the right side, we have the transactions window where you can enter the expenses for the specific subcategories. First of all, we have the date field. So clicking on this, it opens up the date calendar. You can select any date of your choice. And then you can put the description for the expense and you can select the account. So under account, once you click on this, it will open up all the subcategories of expenses that you have created. You can select any subcategory and then finally you can enter the amount of the expense and it will start booking the expense amount. This template is entirely customizable as per your requirement. If you want to customize this template for a specific need, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day.